April is Confederate History and Heritage Month in Texas.
In the spring of 1862, the South won an impressive string of victories against much larger Yankee armies in the beautiful Shenandoah Valley of Virginia. The Confederate general behind those victories was the brilliant Stonewall Jackson. His famous foot cavalry were known for performing marches of incredible distances in lightning-fast time, then delivering powerful blows to the unsuspecting Union armies. Jackson's Valley Campaign prevented the North from reinforcing their army, which was attacking the Confederate capital at Richmond, and it opened the way for a Southern invasion into Union territory. In all, 3 different Federal armies of more than 50,000 men were kept at bay by Jackson's force of only 17,000 dedicated men. It was a campaign that showed the true spirit of the Southern soldier.
This moment in history is brought to you by the Sons of Confederate Veterans. Find us online at AlamoCityGuards.com. That's AlamoCityGuards.com. We can even help you find your Confederate ancestor.